Good evening, this is PK. Let's take a look at the macro once again. So easy to do, right? Either if you count the whole thing starting 1 2 being here or 1 2 being here. Let's use this one for a major pivot. Project it here on top of the wave 3. We're out, something smelly, it's out. Let's try projecting another way from wave 2 to supposed macro 4 on top of the macro 3. We're out and we're assuming that the cycle is done. The cycle that started 2023, right? So now the thing is correcting, and now those people that were telling you that there's no shot that the Bitcoin is gonna drop, and then everyone is buying and the institutions are buying Ethereum and everything. Where are those people now? So the current move doesn't look clean, nor the top looks clean, right? Doesn't look. I don't know what happened here, but we have a certain amount of people that were saying that this was the top, and now that we're building A, B, C, flat wave 2. What is the meaning of that? The meaning of that would be that this was 1 2 3 4 5, that we have a terminus over there, and now we're building a flat wave like that, meaning that we need an impulse to complete the flat. If that's the case, if this thing here that I thought it was a double move, like AB into an expanding diag, that looked like a zigzag to me. I expected wave X and another zigzag. We did touch this algo area, I'll get there as well, but not in a 3-wave move. It was a direct impulsive move, which leads me to believe that this might not be done. Hope I'm wrong. Okay, so if you have an impulse and you're expecting that the wave 2 is flat, then you take a measure from bottom to the top. If this was the terminus of the whole wave, I'm going to use the full fib for me. So then this would be the area where you expect your flat to end, which would coincide with the previous or one of the waves 4. So then you need something like this, and you need 1 2 3 4 5, and then only then you can project if we're continuing on. So looking at the current development, we have a huge reaction here. That's okay, because here, if you project from the orthodox, let's say 5, to the bottom, to the top, you're reaching 1618 and 75. Then another thing you project is from the top, swing, we have 1 to 1 and another area of reaction. So let's see what happens here. One of the things to do, as usual, is see how things develop, or just try to say whatever you can. Not a financial advice. If I go into the smaller time frame, I don't think it's gonna help that much anymore. This one I don't even want to try to count anymore. I say that and I'm counting. This would work because 3 is larger than 1. Mother trucker. We have a decent reaction. Let's see. Okay. If this was a wave A and this was a W, X, A, B, C, Y, and we would need another 3. Quickly, Ethereum, what is going on here? I don't know. I had an account that had W, X, Y. So 3-wave move, whatever this ugly thing is, flat, and then expected impulse. This is something, I don't know what it is. But in case this was the play, that this is a wave A, B, we could also have a flat. And we just began something. I cannot count this. Right? The end of Ethereum. In case the price action decides to stabilize itself here and continues on to do something, my only idea would be that. But until I see this, better not count on it. Okay, XRP impulse 1, 2, 3, whatever this is, 4 and 5. And the first move, WAB to the C, wave X, and now this also looks like a done impulse. Did tag the fifth 0.5, maybe gonna go to 0.618 in log, right? Because in linear this did go deep enough. Either the macro, whatever, since the beginning of time, this was the fifth wave, right? Or this is one of the fifth wave. But the project is gonna make it, guys, because internet said so, right? That's it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.